Imagine a game where millions of players log in every single day. There are no controllers, no levels, no final boss. Instead of points, the reward is income. And the battlefield isn't a map, it's the internet itself. What started as a simple video sharing website has quietly evolved into something much bigger. It's a system where attention becomes currency and creativity becomes capital. For millions of people, this isn't entertainment anymore, it's an economy. In this system, money doesn't move like traditional business. Advertisers pay for attention. Viewers generate value through engagement. Creators capture that value through content. It's a digital supply chain powered entirely by human focus. The numbers are staggering. Every year, billions of dollars flow to creators around the world. More money than some entire national economies produce. This isn't side income anymore, it's a global financial force. Today's creator isn't just an entertainer, they're a strategist, a marketer, a data analyst, a brand. Success depends on mastering attention, timing, and consistency. It's entrepreneurship, redesigned for the digital age. At the center of this world sits an invisible system, a complex engine that decides what gets seen and what disappears. Performance is tracked instantly. Engagement becomes feedback. And growth follows patterns few fully understand. But opportunity comes with volatility. Income can surge overnight or vanish just as quickly. Policy changes, audience shifts, platform updates. Every creator operates inside a constantly changing environment. For many, earnings don't come from employers or clients. They come directly from a platform. Revenue is stored digitally, distributed automatically, and scaled globally. In function, if not in name, it behaves like a financial institution. Geography no longer limits participation. A creator in one country can earn from viewers across the world. No offices, no borders, no traditional hiring process. Just connection and competition. But the barrier to entry is low, and the competition is massive. Millions upload content daily, attention is scarce, visibility is earned, and only a fraction capture the majority of rewards. When a platform controls discovery, distribution, and income, it stops being just a media company. It becomes infrastructure, a system shaping careers, businesses, and financial futures. This is the creator economy, a system where attention fuels wealth and content powers livelihoods. What began as entertainment has evolved into something far more powerful. The question is no longer whether this is a game, but who is winning it.